Have you ever wondered how scientists know how many whales swim in the ocean or how many sharks populate a certain reef? It seems like an impossible task, doesn't it, given the sheer size and mystery of our planet's underwater world? Measuring marine animal population sizes is fundamentally about careful estimation, rather than an exact count. Scientists use a diverse toolkit of methods to approximate the number of individuals within a species, helping us understand their health and trends over time. This approach allows us to monitor the well-being of marine life, even when a precise tally is out of reach. The core reason we're relying on estimation is the immense scale and inaccessibility of marine environments. Unlike counting trees in a forest or deer in a small preserve, most marine animals live across vast, deep, and often opaque habitats. Direct observation is rarely feasible for entire populations, so researchers employ sampling techniques. These techniques involve observing a small, representative portion of the population and then extrapolating that data to estimate the total. Environmental factors like water clarity, depth, and animal behavior also make direct counting impractical, necessitating these indirect yet scientific approaches. To put these estimations into practice, scientists use various methods. One common technique is the mark recapture method. Animals are tagged or marked, released back into their habitat, and then a second sample is taken later. The ratio of marked to unmarked animals in the second sample helps estimate the total population size. For larger surface-dwelling animals like whales and dolphins, scientists often conduct systematic visual surveys from boats or aircraft, carefully counting individuals or pods seen along predetermined routes. Acoustic monitoring, using specialized underwater microphones called hydrophones, is also crucial for species that vocalize frequently, like many whales, allowing researchers to track their presence and sometimes estimate density over wide areas. Additionally, genetic sampling from tissue or environmental DNA can reveal the presence and even relative abundance of species in an area. A fascinating insight from this work is the concept of a minimum viable population, or MVP. This is not just a count, but an estimate of the smallest number of individuals a population needs to have a high probability of surviving for a long time, often 100 to 1,000 years, despite environmental fluctuations and random events. Understanding MVP helps conservationists identify critical thresholds and prioritize species that are most vulnerable. Another key term is stock assessment, which combines population size with other data like age structure and reproduction rates to manage commercial fisheries sustainably, ensuring species can continue to thrive for future generations. Ultimately, the goal of estimating marine animal populations is to safeguard the balance of our ocean ecosystems. By carefully applying these scientific methods, we gain the crucial insights needed to protect endangered species, manage fisheries responsibly, and develop effective conservation strategies. It is through these efforts that we can ensure the vibrant diversity of marine life continues to enrich our planet, benefiting both nature and humanity.